If fighting is sure to result in victory, then you must fight. Sun Tzu said that, and I'd say he knows a little more about fighting than Sun Tzu, pal, because he invented it. And then he perfected it so that no living man could hit him in the Ring of Honor. Then he used his fight money to buy 2 of every boat on Earth. And then he herded them onto a boat, and then he beat the crap out of every single one. Get me up there! And from that day forward, any time a bunch of animals are together in one it's called a boat. Unless it's a zoo.